Hi guys, welcome back to Brand Wana, aka Brandon Arbril. So this is Kuya Brand and
Arbril.
So today we're gonna be doing mukbang. But this mukbang is called fruits mukbang. So we have here pineapple. We got here pears.
Apple, grapes, banana,
I think this is a cucumber.
cucumber,
Okay, what else you got?
kiwi,
Kiwi. And we got two cucumbers here.
and 3 banana.
3 bananas. We also got here a plum and avocado. And guys, this mukbang is very healthy and it has lots of vitamins like
Yeah.
vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E, and lots more. So yeah, I recommend you eating this for your immune system so that it will become strong. Yeah. So you're gonna eat it now. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen, pineapple, apple pen. Let's start the fruits mukbang. Okay, which one should we start first? Let's the orange first, right? Okay, let's take the orange and take 2 at least. There you go. Take 1. Okay, guys, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, go, Arbril. It's very sweet. Yeah. And juicy. Yeah, it's really juicy. Yeah, a bit sour, right? But still good. Don't eat the seed. Nah.
I'm eating this too.
What? Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. I gotta say 10 out of 10. How do you think, Arbril? Sour? Sweet? Sweet and sour. So it's both? Very juicy also. Okay. So
Let's start
with which one? Which one? The kiwis. Okay. I'll cut the kiwi for you.
This is not a kiwi.
Yeah, I think this is the kiwi. Oh my god. Okay, take the kiwi.
Me too.
Whoa! Look how many seeds it has, guys. Are you gonna taste it now? Okay, I'm gonna taste it now too.
Try it.
Yeah, it's pretty sour. And sweet.
Drink the juice.
It's very soft, I got to say. There's like a little bit of crunch to it because of the seeds. It's a little bit crunch. How do you taste?
Yum, 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 yum.
So next one. We're done with the orange and the kiwi. So let's go with...
Auntie, I don't see that.
You can finish it? Okay. Guess more for me. Next is cucumber. Okay.
I'm gonna pick it.
Oh! Whoa, the cucumber is very hard. Ta-da! Is it crunchy? Is this your favorite food out of all of them? What are you doing? Oh yeah, it's very crunchy. Not that juicy, same as the kiwi.
Juicy. You think it's juicy?
Little bit, yeah. It's a little bit juicy. And it's very, it's like crunchy in the outside.
Yeah.
But when you just like chew it like a lot, it will get a bit more soft. So this is your favorite, right? Okay. I think mine's my favorite fruit is the kiwi. Okay, let's go to the next one. Pears?
It's juicy.
Juicy. Whoa.
What happened?
No, it's supposed to be like that. It's normal, Arno. Ah, see, look, it's the same as mine. So you just eat the. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Mmm. Crunchy.
Juicy.
Very juicy. Kind of reminds me of eating an apple, which we're gonna do it next. But I don't know what I will. She's gonna pick the fruits. Is it good? Sour. That means like sweet.
Don't finish it.
Don't finish it.
So good.
And very sweet too. Kind of reminds me of an apple. Oh. Okay, what are we gonna eat next? Which one? Which one? The pineapple.
I want to get
Apple pineapple.
I want to get the tiny.
The tiny one. Okay, good. Oh. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I wanna try the pineapples. Okay. Go. Here's the pineapple.
So weird.
A bit of a crunch and very juicy too, and more sweet, but a little tiny sour. Which one? Which one next? Grapes? Okay.
I think it's the pineapple.
Okay, good. I'm gonna take the.
I want the tiny one.
I'll take the juicy one.
I want the tiny one. Hey, tiny. I want
I'll help you. I'll help you. Here's the small one for you. Here we go. Okay, I'll eat it now. Yeah, really juicy. Very sweet too. Yeah, it's very sweet, right? Next will be apple. We'll try the apple. We already tried the cucumber. Let's try the apple now. But apple is very good for you. It'll make your immune system strong. Okay. Go on, hurry up. Whoa! Okay, you take the small side. I take the big side. Whoa, it's very hard. Okay. Crunchy. A bit more like sweet. Next is bananas. Bananas. Okay, let's start.
Banana.
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 Okay. Very soft. And a bit chewy. Not that juicy. But it's perfect. It's very good. Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. It's very soft too. Slippery. Oh, you mean the banana peel? Yeah, it's very slippery, so don't step on it. Pick this one. Yeah, this one. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the avocado have like a mushy taste. It's like super soft. I really want to eat this.
It tastes like macaroni.
Macaroni.
It tastes like macaroni.
Okay, you try the avocado, I try the plum.
No, it's too much.
Pick the middle one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's too much.
Mmm.
Too much.
Guys, this is my first time trying a plum.
And
And it's very juicy and soft. I like soft.
and the tart tastes like mushy.
Yes, yeah, it's very mushy. How mushy? Very mushy. So guys, oh wait, I think we're forgetting something. It's not the grapes. Oh wait, that's all of it. So guys, we just tasted all of the fruits, and I'm just gonna tell Avril, including me, what is your favorite fruit?
And when apple,
Okay,
cucumber,
okay.
grape, orange,
Whoa, lots of favorite fruits.
avocado,
That's kiwi. Okay, and yeah, that's avocado again. That's all. Pears. All of it. Mine is the avocado, the pears, the apples, the kiwi, my favorite one mostly, and the grapes. Okay, and guys, this is our fruits mukbang. Hope you enjoyed, and I also recommend you giving these fruits to your family. Yeah, it's very healthy. So, yeah, I hope you like this video and the fruits mukbang video. And I don't recommend you eating junk food. It's really bad